Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Houzz app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Houzz is a home design and renovation app that offers inspiration, tools, and professional connections for anyone looking to improve their living space. Users can browse millions of high-quality photos, shop for furniture and decor, and even connect with architects, designers, or contractors directly through the platform. It also includes a 3D visual tool to help you see how products fit in your space before purchasing. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is visually rich and easy to navigate, with powerful filters to find specific styles, room types, or product categories. Many users love the idea boards and the ability to save and organize design inspirations. The shopping feature is convenient, with a wide selection and detailed listings. The 3D View in My Room tool is also praised for helping make confident purchase decisions. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional crashes or lag when browsing high-resolution images. Others mention that pricing and availability can vary or be inaccurate at times. There are also mixed reviews about customer service and delivery timelines for purchases made through the app. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Houzz is a great app for anyone interested in home improvement, whether you're renovating, redecorating, or just seeking inspiration. It combines design ideas, e-commerce, and professional services in one place. Just be mindful of some glitches and do your research before buying big-ticket items through the app. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.